Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to enable sale on a product on Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to enable sale on a product on Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to enable sale on a product on Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to enable sale on a product on Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling sale on a product on Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on products. Now select a product. Scroll down. Here in price section, you are seeing two boxes, price and compare at price. Write price of product in price section and add extra price in compare price section now. Click on save. Now open your store. Here is a sale sign. This is how you can grab customers' attention by writing sale on your products. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable sale on a product on Shopify, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.